wonderful thing about today is that we're celebrating National Manufacturing Day, which is a wonderful opportunity for us to celebrate careers in manufacturing. It's so important for us to do this because we need to introduce our young people to the careers of the future.
Our plant here in Memphis makes specialty track works for all of the Class 1 railways. We also make railways for the industrial setting and for contractors. Atlantic Track needing employees, it is hard in this day and age to find employees. We chose to build them because that not only does it help the community, it helps us.
This field is very interesting. I've only been here for almost an hour and it has caught my attention almost immediately. Just seeing the robotics and just seeing how things are done here is really engaging. Investing in here or investing in a trade can really benefit them very highly due to the fact that they can make easy money and a lot of money quickly. Just all they have to do is take one or 2 year classes, and they can be very beneficial to them.
We're at these companies to introduce our kids to different careers in manufacturing. High wage, high demand areas, the way that our country is growing, the way that our community is going, we have to fill these jobs with great, smart-minded young people, and we have to introduce them to these careers.